Kennysart here. I'm in Reedsport, Oregon at the Oregon Divisional Chainsaw Sculpting Championship. I'm here with Tumbleweed 2. We were out geocaching in the Reedsport area and thought we'd stop here and check this event out.
Filling out the raffle ticket. The winning number, yeah.
This is the 13th year for this Chainsaw Sculpting Championship event. This year there are 37 contestants competing for the prizes. Wood sculptors have come from all over: Oregon, Washington, Colorado, Alaska, even as far away as Wales and Macedonia. It's a 4-day event starting on Thursday and ending on Sunday, where the carvers all start off with a pretty much equal block of wood, and they have the 4 days to carve a piece of artwork. On Sunday afternoon, the sculptures are judged by the panel of judges, and the prizes are awarded. There's also a special prize that is chosen by the spectators. They vote for the sculpture they like the best. So let's walk around through the carvings and see what's going on. So I hope you have enjoyed my video that I took on Saturday afternoon at the Oregon Divisional Chainsaw Sculpting Championship at Reedsport, Oregon. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See ya!